Here I got an eBay package. I'm in the box now. I got the shipping label off, so let's move on. So I ordered something new recently. Gotta be careful. It's all taped together. Here it is. Fix that. There we go. Looks pretty good. I don't see any magnet problems or anything like that. This is new. It's a very nice Duquesne speaker, but I gotta test it and stuff. Just the magnet's a bit dirty. I think that's just manufacturing or something like that. Yeah, that's it. I hope it sounds good though. Very nice. So yep, that's it.